Hi everyone, the FJD Trion model software is updated to version 204. This video will show you all the new drawing tools. Before drawing, you need to clip and denoise the point cloud, removing things that might affect your drawing. Select a point cloud and click Draw in the Drawing section to open the editing screen. Click Assisted Drawing to change the view vertically or horizontally. After the view is selected, clip the point cloud in the window. Once done, the clipped section will be shown. Width sets the section thickness. Offset adjusts where the clipping is made. Once done, click Profile Update to see the changes. Below that, Video Data is used to import panoramic camera files. Enable Panoramic Assistance to pop up a panoramic image. Now, switch the view in the small window to Top View. Then, select points on the path and compare them with the panoramic image. This helps draw more accurately by using the images as a reference. Let's go back to the section view. Once a drawing plane is selected, minimize the panoramic assistance window and don't close it. Next, clip and denoise the point cloud on the plane to ensure accurate drawing. You can also set a reference line here to level the plane for easier drawing. Click Extract Contours Fitting to automatically create a 2D vector line on the plane. Then, use tools in the graphic editing menu to make fine changes. Trim. Select one straight line and right-click another line to be trimmed. The second line will be trimmed at the intersection. Extend. If lines don't intersect, select one to extend it until it intersects with a chosen reference line. Intersect. Select two lines and extend them until they intersect. Copy the object selected. Mirror the selected object. Rotate the selected object either by hand or by typing in an angle. Offset. In the Offset menu that pops up, set the offset or create a chamfer. In the Measurement and Dimensions menu, Coordinates shows the X and Y coordinates of the selected point. You can also measure distances and areas directly. In Dimension Settings, you can change the color, text size, accuracy, and units for the measurements. In a layer on the left, you can edit superpositions for many layers at once, each with different annotations. You can choose to show, hide, or lock a layer separately. Now, the Graphic Drawing menu offers many more shapes for drawing, like straight point, straight line, polyline, arc, and ellipse. You can draw with them as needed and even change their line styles. Once you finish your drawing, save and exit. Then, select your drawing results in the Vector section and right-click to export them as DWG or DXF files.